I'm gonna show you how you can easily make $1,000 every single month just utilizing YouTube Shorts with 0 subscribers. So depending on whatever niche you're wanting to do this in, I chose pet videos because they are very viral and pet products sell very well. So I just typed in pet videos and hashtag shorts. That way it will show me all the shorts on YouTube. And what you're gonna wanna do is actually go to some of these videos and you're gonna actually want to download them. You can do this by coming up here and actually clicking copy link. Now, in order to download this, we need to go to ytshorts.savetube.me. And then once we're here, we're gonna go ahead and copy the link. You're gonna click get video, and the video will be right here. So you just go ahead and click directly download. And as you can see here, it is downloading right now. Once that is done, I want you to go over to canva.com and we are gonna go over to video and mobile video. This right here is a template specifically designed just for vertical format videos like YouTube Shorts and TikToks. Simply come over here to the Upload Media tab and upload your YouTube short. Now we've gone ahead and stretched this out a little bit, but you can see that the previous person who uploaded this did the exact same thing we're gonna do. So we can actually just pull in elements over this and do this at the top and stretch that out and actually put text over this that says the same thing to make it our own video, right? So we're gonna have something like this. Obviously you can make the background black to make it pop, and you can put a finger emoji in here to really make it pop, but that's basically it, what you're gonna do. Then you're gonna take this, go ahead and click the share button, and you're gonna go ahead and go to download. Once you have that downloaded, you can come over here to clickbank.com, which is a digital marketplace. You're gonna go ahead and sign up, and you could pick a digital product to affiliate and earn commissions on in that niche, and in our case, pets and dogs. Then when you're uploading that YouTube short, you simply put the affiliate link in the description box and bada boom, now you're earning money. Follow me for more ways how to make money on YouTube and build a business on YouTube.